See, honey, this is nice. Our first European train trip.
I guess. Seems kind of odd to share a compartment with someone, just like staring at them right across from us.
Oh, I don't think so. I mean, it's all part of the adventure, you know? And hey, maybe we'll make some new friends.
Maybe no one will sit in them and we can get the whole compartment to ourselves.
Oh.
Guests, voyeurs, or more?
Hi. I'm Mike. This is my wife, Cindy.
Americano, yes?
Yes, we're Americans. What are your names?
We've written beyond labels long ago. It's the steel on steel, it's the seduction, the grinding, the sparks. It transforms one.
The burning, the smoke, the uncomfortable small toilet, it transforms one.
So you don't have names on the train.
We're on it now. Feel it. Some call me or Jacob. My companion here, she needs no introduction. Her student loan service coordinator calls her Jade, but by locomotion she is.
Chugga chugga, true true.
And here we are yet again, face to face, ready to make loads with one another. My engine is running. The train is leaving the station. All aboard!
The tunnel is open. My engine has taken on water. Steam is rising.
I'm sorry, are these like train-themed innuendos?
Let them talk.
You could have taken a 45-minute flight on Ryanair.
But instead, you chose 17 hours on a tube built by Soviet political prisoners.
So how shall we begin?
I assure you, the caboose is ready.
I don't think we want any parts.
May I have a word?
Yeah, okay. What?
Isn't this what you wanted? A European aventure?
Are we about to have an orgy with these people?
Yes, an orgy on a train. It doesn't get any more European than that.
I know I said I wanted this, I didn't think they would be so weird.
They smell like a Hobby Lobby.
Yes, they do. Okay, all right, deep breath. I can do this. Let's go. Okay, let's go.
Thomas the Tank Engine is ready to pull you.
Okay, stop. We're in.
But this is our first time, okay?
Are you fucking kidding? This is your first time?
Jesus Christ, what a waste of time.
Whoa. You're not Euro sex adventurers?
No. We're also Americans, okay? We're looking for our daughter.
Yeah, she went on a European train trip a few months ago and joined like a commune, and we haven't heard from her since.
Yeah, we think it was some kind of like polyamorous rail collective, and we've been trying to infiltrate them.
Oh no! Is this one of those like taken things? Has she been taken?
No, way worse. We've got FOMO.
FOMO.